I'm Dr. Stella Madhyalahan. Now I'm going to share something about the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, has shortlisted 20 space-based experiment proposals, which include from France for its proposal Venus Orbiter Mission, Sukrayan. How India's Venus mission attract international payload proposals? What was the main reason for it? These include collaborative contributions from Russia, France, Sweden, and Germany. ISRO was earlier eyeing June 2023 for the country's first mission to Venus. However, the organization is reviewing its timeline due to delaying arising from the pandemic situation, publishing it to either 2024 or 2026. The scientific objective of ISRO's missions includes investigation of the surface processes, solar wind interaction with Venusian ionosphere, study on structure, composition, and dynamics of the atmosphere, and shallow subsurface stratigraphy. The optional launch window when Venus is closest to the Earth comes about every 19 months. Venus is around 30% closer to the Sun as compared to Earth. So we are waiting for the time to come to launch the Venus on the particular day. What was the main importance of satellite, that is the Venus mission, is GSLV Mark 2 rocket using for this. It's weighing about 2500 kilograms. Its payload capacity or capability is 175 kilogram with 500 watts. The proposed orbit is expected to be around 500 into 60,000 kilometer around Venus. The Venus, the twin sister of the Earth, shares a common origin, forming at the same time out of a condensing nebulosity around 4.5 billion years ago. Venus has been explored by Flyby orbiter, a few lander missions, and atmospheric probes also proposed under this scheme. But many countries, they are willing, more than 20 shortlisted nations come and share these mission activities and submitted their proposals. Among them, France for its proposal is chosen by ISRO now. The other countries are Russia, France, Sweden, and Germany also shown their interest to join in this venture. In such a way, India's Venus mission attracts international payload proposals. Thank you.